I guess it's love, you know what I'm saying? You gotta love somebody and it hurts, but it's not love that hurts you. Deceit. Let's make a note of all these women in my life, and all the ones that I had thought would be my wife. Be my wife. Yesterday you said I was your only man, but then you shun me out and hurt my heart again with the cheating and lying and alibis, indecent proposals and trifling lies. No trust and no honor. Oh girl, I wanna settle down and find myself a wife. Tried your best to let me think that you have changed. Nah, nah, nah. How can you change it when it's running through your veins, girl? Let's turn the page and try to be platonic friends, and make a borderline. Keep this in mind, trespassers will be heard. All that cheating and lying and alibis, indecent proposals and trifling lies. No trust and no honor. Oh, God knows I wanna settle down and find myself a wife. You say you're only known 'cause you got to prove me wrong. Baby, I love you. Yeah, right, girl, I've heard that song. Hurt me like you did before. Oh, yeah. Do me like you did before. Oh, all that cheating and lying and alibis, indecent proposals with trifling lies. No trust and no honor. Oh, God knows I wanna settle down and find myself a wife.